been a setback for the Karnataka government, and this is right ahead of the assembly polls. Some news coming in from the Supreme Court, where the top court has ordered a stay on the abolition of the Muslim quota in Karnataka till the next date of hearing, which is the 9th of May. The Supreme Court order says that no appointments to be made till then. So this is going to be a setback as far as the Karnataka government is concerned, because as of now, a stay on the abolition of the Muslim quota has been ordered as far as the top court is concerned. Let's also bring in our legal correspondent, Ananya Bhatnagar. Ananya, what does this mean for the state government?
Well, it's exactly not a stay per se on by the Supreme Court. It's the assurance that has been already given by the Karnataka government to, in fact, the topmost court of the country, because remember that the Supreme Court has already seized off this particular matter. And while it was on the first date of hearing inclined to stay this particular, a diktat of the Bommai government, but at the same point of time, the Karnataka government sought some time to file its response, though a response could not be filed until today, because the Solicitor General, who is appearing for the Karnataka government, is also appearing in the Constitution bench that is hearing the same-sex marriage issue. And for the last 2 dates, he was not able to file a response into this particular case. And now, since the Solicitor General has informed the topmost court of the country that, a response would be filed in the next few days, and in fact, either by today itself. So after in fact, this response is filed and the matter is heard, then only a certain kind of order would be passed by the topmost court of the country. At this point of time, the matter is on a status quo only because the Karnataka government has actually said that, we will hold our hands until the Supreme Court actually hears this particular petition. And at the same point of time, the Karnataka government is opposing such petitions that are challenging the scrapping of 4% Muslim reservation in the state.
So, Ananya, as of now, you're saying there is status quo. The next date of hearing also, your understanding, is the 9th of May. Give our viewers better context of what this entire round, the hearing, was about.
Well, this entire row is about, the petitioners have challenged, in fact, the diktat of the Bommai government that had, in fact, scrapped the 4% OBC quota in the state, and they had knocked the doors of the Supreme Court, saying that this is something that is very, very essential and should not have been, scrapped. While the other side, that is for the government, or in fact for the Lingayat committee to whom Lingayat community to whom this actual reservation has now been given, is saying that this is a community that has been existed in the state for a long time and deserved a particular reservation in the state, and that's the reason why in fact the government had in fact scrapped that 4% and increased the reservation to 56%, giving out certain part to the Lingayat and certain other communities in the state, and that's the reason why in fact such a change has been made. While the Muslim petitioner, the petitioners who are representing and challenging this particular diktat, clearly goes on to say that this is something that is unconstitutional and arbitrary and is against the various committee reports that are there with regards to reservations and should not have been done. But at the same point of time, opposition is coming in from the Lingayat community and the others, which have actually got this 4% reservation, which was reserved for the Muslims earlier.
Okay, Ananya, we'll leave the conversation there. Would like to thank our colleague Ritu as well. Let's listen in to some other reactions.
सर कंप्लेंट ಕೊಡಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ
कर्नाटक सरकार ने मुसलमान का वो 4% रिजर्वेशन था, इसको बंद किया था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इसी में रोक लगाया। ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का एगेंस्ट है, क्योंकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में धर्म के आधार पर तो रिजर्वेशन नहीं है, जाति का आधार पर है। कौन पिछड़े वर्ग है, पिछड़े वर्ग को रिजर्वेशन दे सकते हैं, धर्म का आधार पर नहीं दे सकते हैं।